Hey everyone, we hope you got to see our Japan series, but if you haven't, today we are here reviewing lots of different Japanese candies. We got a lot of them. We have this whole bag here that we have to work through, and we also have all kinds of Kit Kat flavors. They're behind us here. This is the original boxes, and then we have the individual Kit Kats here. And we're gonna kick off with the Kit Kats because Japan is very well known for their unique, interesting Kit Kat flavors. They probably have the most variety of Kit Kat flavors we've seen anywhere. We tried to get as many as we could. Some of them are seasonal. We got a total of 21 Kit Kats here. And we're gonna kick off with one of them. Which one do you want to start with, Matt?
First flavor is gonna be matcha latte.
Since we're eating a lot of candy, we're just gonna be splitting one side of the Kit Kat and leave the other side for later. It's nice and green. Nice light matcha flavor. A little bit white chocolatey. Where would you rank that?
I say 8 here.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put it for A for now.
The next one, I guess, is regular matcha. So we're gonna try that one next.
I like that way better than the matcha latte. It just has a stronger matcha taste.
Then we'll put it at A and put this at B.
Yeah, that one, matcha latte at B, that one at A. This one is half chocolate, half matcha. Where do you want that one?
It has a good chocolate flavor. I like it with the matcha. Maybe A.
Next up is strawberry. Japanese strawberries are a big thing. I like that. It has a tangy, real tangy kick to it.
For me, it's probably a B. But
Okay.
What do you say?
I'll put it in B for now.
I thought you would say A.
Well, I know there's other strawberry things coming, and I feel like they'll be better. Next, we have Kit Kat Gold. I don't know really what the meaning of it is. It's very interesting packaging. I don't like that one.
Yeah, that has a weird flavor. I don't know what that flavor is.
It's kind of like caramely almost, or butterscotchy.
Maybe.
I'm putting that in D.
Yeah, D. Next,
we have chocolate orange. It looks like a fairly regular Kit Kat. It's just dark chocolate. It could be better.
If you like orange and chocolate, you'll like it. I'm not too sure if I like orange and chocolate together.
I'm gonna put it in C, I think.
That's what I would say.
The oranginess almost has like a floralness to it. Okay, now one of the other strawberries. We have strawberry shortcake. Look how pretty it is. And this Kit Kat, it is white with flecks of red strawberry in it.
I don't know. I think I like that less than the other strawberry one.
Me too. I think I like this one less. It has that same like tangy kick to it, but I don't know.
Not
just
that good.
Off a little bit.
C, maybe D.
C. This one I don't think we'll like very much. It is Sakura and roasted soybean powder. I do not like floral. We both don't like floral. And not a big fan of soybean powder either. It's a pretty light pink.
It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Maybe D. The soybean powder is not that bad. Kind of gives it a roasted flavor.
So what do you want?
I'd say D.
D it is.
Next one is milk tea.
It has very fun packaging. A light color Kit Kat. Tastes a lot like milk tea.
It does, but what is that? Like a fruity flavor?
It tastes like a Thai tea, but yeah, it has like a floralness to it.
That is, I don't know.
That's a D for me, I think.
I'd say maybe even E.
Yeah. This is one of the ones we've had before, and I love. I don't exactly know what it is, really, other than I love it. It is, it looks like it's like wheat or something. The packaging looks like this. It has like crackers on it and things of wheat. I love that one. That's an S tier for me.
That's an F tier for me.
Oh, no. This has an interesting, it has a different texture than other Kit Kats on the inside. It's like more crunchy almost in it.
I don't think it's S tier. I'll give you an A, but that ain't not S tier. It's like eating a Kit Kat with a cracker inside of it.
Okay, we'll put it in A then and compromise. We can't put something in S if we both don't like it. We'll think it's an S. So those were all the ones that were like in the bags. They are probably the cheapest of the Kit Kats you can buy. Now we're gonna move into like a mid-tier range. Just in like more different packages. We got these at the airport. Very banana-y. It's dark chocolate banana. But I like it.
Let's say B or
B.
C.
I
B?
think B.
Okay.
Especially if people love banana flavor.
Next is the Peach Kit Kat.
Now I will say we've had this one before. We got a whole box of them.
Tastes like if a peach gummy ring and a Kit Kat had a baby.
Yep, it's got that tang to it, that citric acid kick.
Let's say either A or S.
I think we can put the peach in S. The next one is a weird one. I don't really know what it's meant to be. It's called Sugar Butter Tree. It's got fun packaging though. It's weird. I don't know what it's trying to be.
I'd put that in E. I don't know what that is. That's not good though.
Yeah. I just don't know what it's trying to be. E tier.
That could maybe be an F.
No. I don't
Doesn't
agree
have
with
butter.
that. It's easy to eat. It just tastes, I don't know what it's trying to be.
It does have butter flavor, but something else that's really weird.
Now we are moving on to the premium flavors. These ones are the priciest. They come in boxes like this, and there's like, how many in a box? 10 little minis in a box. So I guess since I'm holding this one up, we can start with this one.
I wouldn't. That's wasabi. It's gonna ruin our taste.
Okay. We'll save that for later.
Yeah.
We will start with manju. It's kind of like, we didn't have manju on our trip, but the way I understand it, it's kind of like the taiyaki dough, and then on the inside is like a chestnutty paste. I don't know if that's correct, but they have them popular on Miyajima, I want to say. They have ones that look just like these.
Oh,
Oh man,
that does not.
it smells like stink bug.
Oh, it kind of does.
Oh no.
That is not it, bro.
Oh no. F.
Oh, that literally tastes like what a stink bug smells like.
It's so bad.
Ew. I didn't think we were gonna run into any that bad.
It legit tastes like stink bug. Okay, we'll go to a much better one, hopefully. This one is a special Japanese lemon. It's a nice, like pale green.
It's way better than what we just had.
Wow, that packs a punch.
Yeah, it's a really good lemon flavor.
It's really powerful flavor.
And I'd say either.
That's an S for me.
Okay, and I'd say S too.
It tastes like the lemon cookies the Girl Scouts have. It tastes like those.
Yeah, pretty good
But
lemon flavor.
pretty strong punch. Now this one is an iconic Kit Kat. It's strawberry cheesecake, and you just have to see the packaging for this. This is the one that comes in the special Mount Fuji packaging. Like, look at that. It's so pretty. It doesn't have that, like, citric acid like kick to it that the other strawberry one has, but it's good.
Yeah.
I would put it in B. I think it's better than the strawberry shortcake.
Maybe B for
I
now,
think we
but-
need to move the strawberry up to A, the regular
Yeah.
strawberry.
But this regular strawberry tastes way better.
Yeah, regular strawberry to A. And we'll put strawberry cheesecake in B. And the shortcake in C. Oh, it's not a latte, it's just the hojicha. It's hojicha tea, which is like a darker, more robust flavor, matcha. And it's like brown, it's not green.
It's roasted matcha.
Roasted matcha. So hypothetically, this should have a stronger matcha.
It does taste like it a lot.
What do you think compared to the regular matcha one?
I'd say they're neck and neck.
They're pretty similar.
I say put it next to regular matcha for now. But I feel like one of them should probably be S tier because
Yeah, agreed.
they're real good for what they're trying
This
to
one has
flavor.
a little more bitterness to it, I feel like.
And now we're gonna continue on with the apple. It does taste appley,
Why is
but
it bad?
not good appley.
It's a very small hint of apple.
I'd say it's probably D tier.
Next, we're gonna have one of the sake flavors. I'm not sure. This one has peaches on it, so maybe it's like a peach sake. And we also have another sake flavor that we're gonna try. But it's pretty in green packaging, in gold lettering. It's a white Kit Kat. Woo! That smells alcoholic. It's got that tangy kick.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
Not super alcoholic flavoring.
Smells more alcoholic than it tastes.
Yeah.
It's white chocolatey, peachy.
I'd say it's not as good as like some of the other fruit flavors. Like the orange chocolate is definitely better.
Really?
I think so. Well, you could put it in C below these and maybe move it to, I guess maybe it's not a D, but I think the orange chocolate is a better fruit flavor.
I liked it. I think it's a B.
I don't know. Leave it in C.
Next we have the, I guess the original sake flavor here. It's red with gold lettering. Another white Kit Kat. Ooh, smell alcoholic again.
That's probably a D.
B.
You think that's a C or
D. To me it is. Next we saved this one for last because it might mess with our palates. We have wasabi. I know. What were they thinking? Making a wasabi Kit Kat. But it is quite the quintessential Japanese flavor. Very pretty pale green. Doesn't smell suspicious. I taste the
Very
wasabi
muted.
now.
Very muted though.
Mm-hmm.
I was expecting it to burn my nostrils. And
Yeah, it
stuff.
doesn't.
Hmm.
No kind of spiciness to it. But there is a hint of wasabi flavor covered by white chocolate. It's interesting.
Yeah. I don't know. I'd say C or D.
I say C.
Yeah.
Okay, that wraps up the Kit Kats. There were a lot of them. And I'm already candied out. Too much sugar. But we have this big bag of stuff still to get through. One thing we're gonna switch up here though is put one of the matchas in the S tier because they definitely deserve to be in the S tier. I'm thinking the original matcha flavor should be the S. We're moving original matcha to S. And with that, we'll show you the final Kit Kat lineup. So, that leaves the original matcha in S. To me, I think the lemon's the best of them all.
So now it's time for Matt's best, and least best. Best is lemon. Matcha. What was this? Oh, peach. So those are the three we think are the best, and the least best, which you don't want to even give to your enemy, is stink bug flavor.
Manju. Well, this video I think lasted longer than we would like, just because there are so many Kit Kat flavors. We have 21 in total. So I think that wraps up this video. We will have a separate video for all our other Japanese treats here. So if you want to check out all the other more unique things that are not Kit Kats, check out that. But this is a wrap on all the Kit Kat flavors of Japan. They're pretty fun to try. It's like Pokemon. You gotta collect them all.
Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.